Hello students, how are you? Yanila ma'am is back. So hope you all are doing very well. Do you know what is special about tomorrow's day? Tomorrow is a Mother's Day. Which day? It's Mother's Day. And today I am here to help you to make some crown or card or a gift pack for your mother. So you just follow me and try to make the crown for your mama and make her feel happy. So just take any sheet, colored sheet if you are having, take any sheet, and if you are not having colored sheet, don't worry, take white sheet and color it. Take strip of a colored sheet, then mark over it. You have to cut it zip zap. So cut it like this, zip zap. You have to cut it like this, zip zap. Either in this shape or this way. You can cut it like this also. You can make mounts. Then cut it with a scissor. With the help of scissor and with the help of elders, you can cut it like this. Cut it. Tick, 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 tick. And if you are having zip zap scissor, you can cut it with zip zap scissor. We are making a crown for mama and to make her feel happy and to make her feel very special. So, your mama is working all the day, all the night for you. So it's your turn now to say thank you to mama and to make her feel happy. So she is a queen of your beehive. So make a crown and make her feel happy. See, this is, you will get this thing. Then you have to turn it like this. Okay, turn it like this and stick it here. If you are having a Fevicol, get it stick with a Fevicol, or you can staple it also. Whatever available with you, you can do it. So this is the thing you will get. This is the base. Now you have to decorate it. So first we will put some beautiful star over it. Some beautiful star, silver star. Our mama is a glittering star, no? She shines so brightly. She helps always us. So I am also making a beautiful crown for my mama. So first we will cut a star. If you are not having glitter sheet, if you are not having colored sheet, don't worry dear children, just use whatever the paper you are having with you and color it with your crayons. If you are having crayons, color it with your crayons. If you are having sketch colors, color it with your sketch colors. It doesn't matter. Main thing is how you prepare the thing for your mama. So don't worry, it will come. Your mama will love it. So cut a star and then we will place it on the crown. First we will cut a star and then we will place it on the crown. See, I am having a glitter sheet, so I am using a glitter sheet. If you are not having glitter sheet, don't worry. See, this is the star. We will place it over here in front. In front we will place it. We will place this star in front like this. So our mama is shining like a star, right? So we can first paste this star over at the middle, at the center of this crown. Okay, see, this is so beautiful. Now we will make a bee because mama is a queen of our beehive. So we will make a bee. See, this is our base. Now we will make a bee with this paper. Okay. First we will make a oval shape. Oval shape. You know what is oval shape? We will make oval shape and one circle and little hearts for the wings. Okay, now we will cut them. Okay, now we will cut them and we will get this. We will get this. When we will cut it, we will get this. So, now we will paste the wings and face. First, this is our face. We will paste a face of our bee with a Fevicol. Put a little Fevicol and paste it. See, paste it like this. And then paste these wings also. Put little Fevicol, just a dot, not more than that. That is enough. And paste the wings. And the bee is ready. Now what you have to do is, see, bee is ready. Now we will make eyes and nose of our bee. So, take a sketch pen, black sketch pen for the eyes. Make 2 dots for the eyes. I will show you. And one red color for the smiley face. See, this is our bee getting ready. We have to make antennas also of our bee. So we will cut small paper. See, this is ready. Beautiful. Now we will cut 2 little antennas and we will place it here. Okay. With any color sheet. We can use any sheet. We can use black sheet and we can use yellow sheet as well. But I am having black sheet, so I am using black. Very thin strips. 2 very thin strips and very tiny 2 strips we will cut. Just like that. Okay. Now we will paste them here. At the back we will put some Fevicol and we will paste these wings here. These are ready. See, ready? You can make it little down. You can put it little down. See, this is beautiful bee ready. Now you can color it also. You can color your bee also. You can put black color stripes over this. Like this. Okay? And it is ready, right? We can paste it here on the crown. Okay? This is beautiful bee of for your mama. We are preparing it for mama. See, this is beautiful, looking so beautiful. Now what you have to do is, you have to decorate this area also. Downwards. You can use any small tape or anything and you can place it here. Or you can place colored dots also here. Now you have to write one small sentence on it. You have to write one small sentence on this crown, that is, Queen. You are queen. B. That's it, and your crown for your mama is ready, and you can decorate it as much as you want. And okay.